So you cannot come to Chennai and not come to Nelli Silks. I'm going to take you guys around and show you some of the best saris you've probably ever seen. So we're just doing a walkthrough of the store right now. There's just saris, more saris.
Langa for children.
For children, oh.
Pattu
For young girls. Oh, so pretty. Very pretty.
Individual 9 years.
Okay.
Within Brahmin.
Okay. So these are the Kanchipuram 9-yard saris.
Only Brahmin wedding.
Only for Brahmin weddings. So these are all Kanchipuram saris.
Kanchipuram bridal sarees.
And what would these be priced at?
Price range is around 10,000 rupees.
10,000 starting. And going up to, what is the most expensive? 2 lakhs. Wow, this is beautiful. So how much would this be?
This one is price tag is 46.
46,000. So what is the speciality of these, and what is the difference in the work? The jari. The more gold, the more expensive. And in non-bridal, what do people buy? Like if they don't want for a wedding, if you just want to buy to have a Kanjivaram, not very expensive, what would you say?
Kanchipuram tradition is 6,000, 7,000.
7,000. Can I see those also? So now we're going to look at the cheaper Kanjivarams, maybe something that I can buy because I'm not getting married again, which are pretty decently priced. Like they start from 6,000 is what you said. So let's see what we can get. It's nice.
It's very, very traditional.
Oh wow. So this is the Ramayan, which is the pallu of the sari. It's got a nice bright poppy, almost fluorescent green. They actually have a lot of bright colors, which is what I love about the Kanjivarams here, that they're traditional but they still have a slightly funky element with their colors. In very bright colors, which is there, like orange, purple. Ooh, now we're talking. This is absolutely
It's a
stunning.
temple border.
What border is this? Temple border. Oh, so it's got the, it looks like the top of a temple. That's beautiful. What checks is it called? Polam checks. Polam checks. Very cool but very traditional at the same time. So in Palam, show me some bright colors. Palam. So in this also there are different ranges or they are around this much only? Quite exquisite. ये drape करके दिखा सकता है? So I'm going to try on this sari and hopefully I'm not going to like it because if I like it I'm going to buy it. It's got orange, it's got pink, it's got all the elements of what I would buy. So like this, you'll show me in the 5,000 also if there are more, but keep this aside, I like this one. So now we're going to see the even cheaper range, which is I think 4,000 to 6,000.
6,000, 7,000, 8,000.
It's pretty.
Below 10,000.
This is only 6,000, 5,700.
Different colors combination.
Ah, this is nice. And this is how much?
5,300.
I like this one. I don't know where I'm going to wear these, but so well you've draped it so tight. I'll have to take you with the sari. It's really pretty. Okay, so I in a bit of a dilemma. I like two saris. I like this one and I like this one, and I don't know what to get. Okay, give me both this and this. What am I doing? I walked in here just expecting to look at the Kanchipuram sarees and I'm going home with 2. That's how amazing this store is. So when you're in Chennai, come here. So we're outside Burma Bazaar, which is set up by the Burmese refugees. This was set up by the government of the Tamil Nadu in 1969. Let's take a look. This is supposed to be one of the city's oldest and longest streets. You just keep walking straight and you've got stores all along. So you have all these tiny little stores like this where one guy is selling mobile phones, the next guy has watches, and the third guy has something else. But yeah, mainly you see a lot of electronics here, a lot of bags, a lot of toys. I've seen a lot of soft toys. You can see soft toys up ahead. Sunglasses, belts, stuff like that. So basically this is a market full of imported stuff and it's supposed to be much cheaper than other stores. So you've got lots of chocolates, candy here, shampoos, soaps. So you actually have a guy selling laptops from this tiny stall here. So you have a lot of branded and unbranded stuff. Like you have a lot of watches. I don't know if a lot of them are genuine or not, but you also have TVs that you can buy here. So it's just one of those places where you can get everything. And I mean, I guess it's cheaper because I don't know how genuine things are in a lot of the stores. You'll have to check up on that. But definitely worth taking a look if you're looking for phones or electronic items because they've got hordes of stores here and it's clearly really popular. So as I mentioned earlier, this is one of the longest streets in the city, so the bazaar just goes on and on. But you've got lots of phone shops, electronic items, sunglasses, watches. So if you're looking for stuff like that, you should come here. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you guys.